Today we've been at 22 Bishopsgate, which is a project that Ryno has worked on in conjunction with PLP Architecture and Prater. We worked with PLP Architecture on a very close basis in order to ensure that the specification of the pedestals was correct. Working at such high levels, right onto the 62nd floor, there was a lot of considerations, the likes of wind uplift and drainage that had to be considered. So what happened was we had to use a 10mm spacer tab between the paving to enable for airflow to come from underneath the paving to stop them being lifted up, but then also to allow for the drainage of the water onto the roof below. And that close collaboration, supplying all that technical data, the specifications, was really a seamless period where we gave them the relevant details to put Ryno into the specification, which then transferred right through the whole project, and Prater stuck with the spec because we'd worked with them previously on other projects.
My name is Tony Sparks. I work for Prater and I'm currently working as a construction manager. 22 Bishopsgate is a commercial building. It's the second highest building in London. In terms of Prater, the works that we carried out was getting the building watertight, the insulation and the paving slabs build up, and we did some green roof, garden, terrace areas. Design was massive on this project. It was really hard. The access, getting in and around the job, getting materials to where we needed to get was very difficult, being the building was so high. There was a lot of safety considerations put in place. A lot of the work was harness training, where we had to have our tools tethered. Edge protection was in place because it was high risk activities. In terms of the paving, we didn't have no issues with the wind uplift, because obviously they was all sealed and bolted down at perimeter edges. The paving slabs are probably 60 to 65 kg. It looks good from up on the higher terraces. The views are amazing from the roof. Very happy with the project.
The supply of the pedestals to Prater's was a very interesting process. There was a lot of pedestals, just under 10,000 required on the scheme, which meant that they couldn't take the whole lot in one batch. So what we did is we supplied the pedestals in call-offs from Prater. Because we have large stock holding and a large warehouse, we were able to provide Prater with the pedestals on demand as soon as they needed them. Actually coming to the site where we have supplied our products and to now see them in situ on such an iconic building, being the second tallest building in London, it's been such a privilege to actually be able to get to the site and see it all now is finally complete.